Hello, and welcome to Is It a Good Idea to Smash This? This is our new account called Smash Things 3, and all we do is smash stuff. Now, today we're going to be smashing my old typewriter 3000 that I found in my bedroom.
Sure.
So, let's get started. Our first smashing ever on Smash Things 3!
Oh shit, shake it, I'm moving like a gypsy. Stop, roll back, get up now, let me see your hips. Oh shit, shake it, I'm moving like a gypsy. Stop, roll back, get up now, let me see your hips. Now drop it low and let me see your hips. Down to the floor, now let me see your hips.
Hold it for 1 second. Let me see.
Okay, let's take a look
This
at
is the left parts of the typewriter.
these are the keys.
Oh yeah, we want these. Oh, circuit board, batteries, nothing special.
Something like this. I don't know what this is.
A circuit board. Well, let's smash it some more. I'm not content with this key.